Oare is a village and civil parish on Oare Water on Exmoor in the West Somerset district of Somerset, England. The parish includes the hamlet of Oareford and the village of Culbone, which contains its own tiny church. The village was known as Oare in the Domesday Book of 1086. After the Norman Conquest, the manor was granted to Ralph de Pomeray. Later it was held by the Kelly family. The parish council has responsibility for local issues, including setting an annual precept to cover the councilor's operating costs and producing annual accounts for public scrutiny. The parish council evaluates local planning applications and works with the local police, district council officers, and neighbourhood watch groups on matters of crime, security, and traffic. The parish council's role also includes initiating projects for the maintenance and repair of parish facilities, as well as consulting with the district council on the maintenance, repair, and improvement of highways, drainage, footpaths, public transport, and street cleaning. Conservation matters and environmental issues are also the responsibility of the council. The village falls within the non-metropolitan district of West Somerset, which was formed on 1 April 1974 under the Local Government Act 1972, having previously been part of Williton Rural District. The district council is responsible for local planning and building control, local roads, council housing, environmental health, markets and fairs, refuse collection and recycling, cemeteries and crematoria, leisure services, parks, and tourism. Somerset County Council is responsible for running the largest and most expensive local services such as education, social services, libraries, main roads, public transport, policing and fire services, trading standards, waste disposal and strategic planning. As all falls within the Exmoor National Park, some functions normally administered by district or county councils have, since 1997, fallen under the Exmoor National Park Authority, which is known as Oare Circumflex Single Purpose Authority, which aims to conserve and enhance the natural beauty, wildlife and cultural heritage of the national parks, and promote opportunities for the understanding and enjoyment of the special qualities of the parks by the public, including responsibility for the conservation of the historic environment. It is also part of the Bridgewater and West Somerset County constituency represented in the House of Commons of the Parliament of the United Kingdom. It elects one Member of Parliament by the first-past-the-post system of election, and part of the South West England constituency of the European Parliament, which elects 7 MEPs using the Dund method of party list proportional representation. Oare is located within the Oare Valley, part of the wider East Lynn Valley. Within the parish is Glenthorne, a geological site of special scientific interest, which is a geological conservation review site because of the trend issue member of the Hangman Sandstone Formation. The Hangman Sandstone represents the Middle Devonian sequence of North Devon and Somerset. These unusual freshwater deposits in the Hangman Grits were mainly formed in desert conditions. Several bridges are prominent. Oare Bridge is an 18th century road bridge over Oare Water, and the 17th century Pacas-Malmsmead Bridge over Badgeworthy Water. Robbers Bridge is an old masonry arch bridge in the Royal Forest of Exmoor, carrying the minor road from Porlock Hill to Oare. It crosses Oare Water, and is located down a steep, wooded lane beneath overhanging trees. The Church of St. Mary dates from the 15th century, and has been designated by English Heritage as a Grade I** listed building. The fictional wedding of Lorna Doone in R.D. Blackmore's novel was set in the Church of St. Mary after Blackmore's grandfather had been the rector from 1809 to 1842. Jonathan Hill, Baron Hill of Oareford, holds the barony of Hill of Oareford.